Okay, we're trying to go outside now. This may hurt us bad. Wow. This is crazy. Holy crap. This is hail, people. Wow. This is absolutely insane. Holy crap. Have you ever seen hail like this before? Oh. Normally it stops immediately, but this is just going nuts. Yep. Grab a fistful of it so I can show the integrity of the girth of it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Look at that. It's hail-orific. Oh, be free! Be free! Anyway, so I wanted to get a shot of the hail, which keeps coming. Alright. It's almost looking like snow now, a little bit. But this is the most hail I've ever seen in my young life. In my young life. In my 25 years on this planet. Alright. Okay. That's good enough.